Welcome to the Study Lounge. In this video, we will talk about everyday problems. From household issues to time management, from financial stress to daily decisions, we all face problems in daily life. But don't worry. In next few minutes, you will learn simple and smart ways to solve them. Let us begin. A problem is anything that needs a solution. It could be a question or situation that needs a decision. For example, your gas bill is overdue, or your bike needs some repair. It needs your action. Solving it means identifying the real cause and acting on it. Ignoring the problem might lead to bigger issue later. Many people ignore small problems, like a leaking water tap or an unpaid electricity bill. They think that they will do it tomorrow. But delaying can cause bigger trouble, like water damage or late fees. Not paying the electricity bill in time would result in late fees or cutting of power supply. Decide if a problem needs an urgent solution. Some problems are urgent, like when your child has a fever or your roof is leaking during rain. These situations need immediate action. Others, like planning a trip or painting a wall, can wait. Knowing what's urgent helps to save time and energy. If you have multiple problems, solve them in a step-by-step manner. For example, you are a working parent. You need to cook dinner, help your child with homework, and prepare for a meeting. All these things to be done in the evening. What do you do first? Cook something quick. Assign a small task to your child, then check your meeting notes. Step-by-step action reduces stress. Prioritize problems based on need and impact. If you have multiple problems to solve, ask yourself, what will go wrong if I delay this problem? Fix the things that can cause loss first or may result into a bigger loss. For example, if your gas cylinder is almost empty and your child's shoes are old, buy the gas first because it affects daily food preparation. That's how prioritize the problems based on need and impact. Solve problems based on urgency and results. Let us say your car and air conditioner needs repair. If you have money for only one repair, choose the one you need most. If you use the car to go to work, fix it first. Comfort can wait. Make choices based on urgency and long-term effect. Define the real problem. Sometimes we solve the wrong problem. For example, a student who always submits late work blames his phone. But the real issue might be time management or distraction. Instead of changing the phone, changing study habits is the solution for this problem. Here are some helpful tips to solve problems in our life. Do not delay. Small problems grow bigger. Ask, what matters most right now? Break big issues into small steps. Always fix the main issue, not just symptoms. Talk to others if you are stuck. Getting help is okay. Remember, small smart actions can bring big comfort to your home and mind. We hope that this video helps you solve daily problems wisely. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe to the Study Lounge for more useful lessons.